Okay, guys, so remember in our second scene, we're now snapping back to reality and we're contrasting the way that we're characterizing our protagonist here with how we characterize them in the fantasy. So in the fantasy, if they were characterized as confident, cool, successful, other people were nervous to talk to that person. Now in reality, we're going to show the opposite. They're going to be not confident and people are not going to be nervous to talk to them. So here's my second scene, and once again I highlighted the speech, effect on others, actions, and looks. I still don't get it. What do you mean? Which part do you not get? Asked Mr. Smart distractedly. Suddenly Mr. Smart saw one of his students stand up and walk towards the door. Where are you going? I need to go to the bathroom, said the student by the door. Not until you started your assignment, bellowed Mr. Smart as he turned his attention back to the student he was helping. I don't get any of it. So when you say you don't get any of it, it's an emergency, shouted the student by the door. How many emergencies are you going to have this week? Go sit down. Mr. Smart, said a voice from across the room. Hold on a second. Mr. Smart turned to the original student he was helping. Okay, I need you to reread this question and then tell me what part is actually confusing you. I'll be right back. Mr. Smart walked across the room to the student who had been calling his name. What's up? The student and her partner were giggling. We were just wondering. Where did you get those shoes? My shoes? Repeated Mr. Smart, looking down at his blue suede laceless slip-ons that he wore for their unparalleled comfort. Yeah, said the girl, trying to control her laughter. They're super cool. We were just wondering where you got them. At this point, neither of the two girls could hold their laughter as they both dissolved into a gooey pile of giggles. Mr. Smart sighed and kept moving across the room until he came across a group of boys who had yet to start their assignment. One of the boys was poking holes in the crotch of his pants with his pencil. Why haven't you started? You see the timer on the board, right? You're almost out of time. Too immersed in the mutilation of his pants, the boy did not look up to meet Mr. Smart's gaze. I don't get it, said the boy. Which part? Asked Mr. Smart as he desperately scanned the boy's blank paper for some sign of effort. All of it, was the boy's reply. Before Mr. Smart could reply, he heard the door slam and saw that the bathroom pass was gone. Did she just... Mr. Smart looked at the boy poking holes in his pants for confirmation. Yeah, she just went to the bathroom without permission, said the boy. Mr. Smart walked back dejectedly to the original student he was talking to. Did you reread the question? Which part is confusing you? All of it, said the student.